Hi guys, this is Tim with Tim's World. Just out here in the shop, and I wanted to show what I made yesterday. I've got, some of you know I'm into building guitars now, and one problem I've been having is getting the pieces flat. So I built this is a piece I want to get flat. So I built a sled. They call it a router sled. And I already had one big long piece of this 2" by 2" galvanized tubing. So I cut it in 4-foot sections, and that's what my table is, 4 foot. That way I can clamp each end here and here. You know, I can spread it wherever I want it. And then I built this sled with just some scrap wood that I had. All this was scrap that I had laying here. So I glued it and screwed it. And then you can adjust your router to the depth. This is sitting a little bit low, so I'm gonna have to figure out, I'm gonna have to jack it up some and figure out how to hold it. But your router sits in there like so, and you just go back and forth like that, move it back and forth. I'm gonna have to get a different bit though. This bit is not the correct kind. I'm gonna get a bit made just for flattening. It's a surface bit. It's probably about that big around. But just wanted to show that. I kind of come out of my hibernation. It has been cold. 2 months of pure freezing cold, snow. Even though it's southern Ohio, we still have a lot of snow to deal with. Not like upstate New York or anything like that, but so I just kind of went into hibernation mode. I didn't want to go outside at all or do anything. Well, it's getting warmer. This week it's been in the 70s actually. We've got some bad weather coming. Last night there was a lot of storms down south and tornadoes. Okay, my video just cut off. Not sure why. I was saying about the bad storms. They're heading this way. It's real windy outside. So I just want to make this quick video. I probably won't do anything out here today. I'm going to be by the television watching what's going on with the storms. But God bless, guys. And I'm still around. I haven't made a video in a while, but I'm going to get this going, the sled here, and show that actually working when I get it in a few days. So God bless, and stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.